YouTube, my name is Tyler with Dividend.com with another video. Today's video is titled Why I Love Dividend Investing. Why I love it so much. Not because of the compounding effect of having shares and getting income. It's just when life happens, you have something to fall back on. You have money coming in, right? So right now, let's go with my main portfolio, my brokerage account. I'm up on some stuff and I'm down on some stuff, which is fine. Dividends received this month was 2,900. I believe it's more than that, but again, I get paid from test. This is today's May 29th, 2025. So I'm gonna get paid from Coney again, like about $500 in Coney, to something from Alti, YMAX, Fiat. So I add all that stuff together, and this was $900. So I'll be making close to. I should be at $4,000 this month in income, and I reinvested. I only took $800 out there and reinvested the rest of it. This is why I love dividend investing. If something happens to my job today, or I can't work, or my job closes down, guess what? I got dividends coming in. I got money coming in. Now, people now don't understand it. People say, oh, you have no job. Well, yeah, I got money coming in still. But this is why I love dividend investing. That's why I keep trying to reinvest when I can. When I do get a paycheck, I make sure I buy more of these stocks because in case of emergency, I got money coming in, right? I got money coming in my account, which I could use to pay bills or use to pay whatever. I wife and 2 kids. This is why I want high yield. I can't go these 5-6% yielders or 10% yielders. I need some 50 and above for income. That's why I invest in these funds. So I believe everyone should have a dividend portfolio, honestly. Not everybody can go into real estate. Real estate, you need money, capital up front. You got to find a property. You got to close on the property, have a payment for the loan. You have to fix it up if it needs repairs. You have to manage the asset. Real estate is a great business, but you need some money up front. There are some ways that, I'm not getting financial advice on real estate or the stock market. There's probably some ways for you to get real estate for cheap. But more than that, more people be more involved in real estate and knew how to, or they knew how the money that you need to put in. Cause, but with dividend investing, it's cheap. We can start with $10 over the Robinhood account and start with $10. You can, look at my monthly income. I mean, how many houses do you need to make $2,700 a month passively? How much money do you need, right? So that's my big thing, right? How much money do you need to make that much money? How many houses do you need? I'm not against real estate. What I'm saying is, if people can't invest in real estate, you could do this as well. You could put your money in these things. You keep your full-time job. You don't have to, get another mortgage or whatever. You can buy these funds and they'll compound over time, right? That's my biggest thing with these funds here, right? So I want to own real estate as well. I'm not in a position right now to get real estate, right? But I feel like my kids have these funds, right? My kids have these funds. Look at the calendar. My kids have these funds, They have these funds here. And you look at Misty here with 200 shares of Misty. With my portfolio, cost base is 5,400. I made 5,600 in dividends. I feel like, this is something that your kids can get involved. You can do it. Anybody can do it. There's no such thing that I can't do it, right? I can see real estate being difficult because housing prices are high these days. But everybody can do these, especially when an ETF costs like $21. Alti's like $6, okay? Alti's like $6. So, and pay every week. So, again, I'm a big fan of Max. I need the income now versus later. And I wish more people would be involved in dividend investing. So, and the goal in dividend investing should be to get enough income to replace your full-time job. That should be the goal. Your goal is to make sure you have enough money to replace your full-time job, or at least to pay all your monthly expenses, your mortgage, and groceries, so you can live. That should be the goal until you find another job. But that should be the goal of dividend investing, in my personal opinion. Not giving advice. That's what I would lead towards. I would lead towards that because it gives a good security blanket. A security blanket. You're not worried about nothing. You're good. If the job decides to close down or leave, you're not worried about it. You're not panicking. You have money coming in. And most of these funds pay weekly. And we all should be in the weekly game. Alt is one of them. We all need to be on the weekly game. We should be. You should keep buying shares until you make $5,000 a month, right? That way, if you lose a job or something happens to you, I told a story before. I pulled my back about a month and a half ago, and I couldn't move at all. Like, I couldn't bend down. I couldn't move. I was in excruciating pain. And I was thinking to myself, how the hell I'm going to get up and go to work the next day? Like, how the hell I'm going to get up and get in the car? It was hard for me to get in the car. While I drove, my car hurt. My back hurts. That bad. I put my lower back. And I was thinking to myself, thank God I have these funds. Thank God I have these funds for a backup. In case something happened to me, I got money coming in. I'm not worried about it. I got money coming in, and it's great. So this is why I love income investing versus growth investing. I can use the money now. Life happens, stuff happens, and we need to be vigilant. We need to be investing. We need to be doing what we can to make it. And that's why I'm all hard on Yield Max. I own Yield Max in my retirement account because of the compounding effect. But I love it. I absolutely love it. If I lose a job today, we'll be just fine. We won't be panicking. We won't be worried. I tell my wife and kid, we got money coming in. Don't worry about it. I'm going to get paid Friday night from Yield Max. And in fact, I'm going to get paid tonight from Yield Max from I'm going to show you here, MDY. Well, not showing my dividends pending, but I got MDY, I got Coney, and I got Fiat. So I'm going to get paid tonight, and I add it all together, I'm making $910. So I got money coming in. It's not a lot of money, but guess what? It puts food on the table. It pays a few bills. We're good. I have money coming in, all right? So I'm not getting financial advice, but go ahead and start your investing journey. Go ahead and start it today. Hey, I'm thankful for these funds. I'm thankful for Jay, Yield Max. I'm very thankful for this. Because it just changed the game. This changed the game. This right here changes the game. This is a game changer for everyone who wants to be involved. This is a game changer. And they're making new weekly funds all the time. Yield Max got like 4 or 5 weekly funds. I don't know, Alti, YMAX, YMAG pay weekly. They got the S&P 500 version. The other one, the other 3. So they got like 7. LMGY, they got Chippy. They got like over 10, probably 10 funds to pay every week. Right? They got funds to pay every week. So we should build that weekly paycheck. And you pay tax with that money, hey, pay the tax. Pay the tax. That's it. It keeps you above water. So I'm going to say thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.